Alright guys, this is Rocket Brand. We are back here with another Pix.io update. This time we are going to show you guys how to quickly rearrange photos. I've had some complaints about it being slow to reorganize photos in Pix.io, and if you don't know this little trick, that can definitely be true. So here's the issue in its nutshell. Basically, it's real easy to move a photo just a couple spots. So let's say I want to rearrange this gallery so that this great photo of my dog Loki and this great photo of my dog Loki are both together, and they are also at the beginning of the gallery here. So that's no big deal. I can actually click and select both of these by holding down Control and left clicking. That'll let me select or unselect the photo, and then I can click and hold, and then you'll see it just created those two little triangles, that's what those shapes are, that are pointing inward towards each other, and an outline. And so if I move this upper to the upper left, it'll follow me, and that little triangle will let me know where those photos are going to appear. So if I drop them, you can see it just dropped these two photos here. Easy peasy, right? So here's the issue. If I have a big gallery, and let's say I scroll all the way down here, and I decide we've had too much of ourselves and we need some of these great skyline photos to be up top, well, it's a real pain if I try to do that the same way. If I click and select each of these and then I try to move them, it's going to go like ungodly slow, and so we don't want that. So I'm going to show you a little trick. So if you select them, and then instead of clicking them and moving them, here's the trick. Click and hold your middle mouse button and then go up all the way to the top of the gallery or wherever you want them, and then basically let's say I want them to go right to the left of this Rolex photo. Easy. I select this photo as well, so I held down Control and I left clicked this Rolex photo, and then I click and hold, and now all of them are selected and all of them are going to move wherever I put this next cursor with the two triangles. So if I let go, now it will snap these up. So that's a really easy way that I can scroll anywhere I want in the gallery quickly by using the middle mouse button. I can select the photo that I want to grab. I can go back to the top of the gallery. I can figure out where I want it to go. I can select that photo as well by holding down Control, and then I drop all the photos in position right then and there. So that'll grab photos wherever you want. I'll show it one more time. It's really easy and lovely, so I can grab as many photos as I want from all out of order in this way, and I can say, hey, I want all these to go up to the top, let's say, and they can be in whatever order with gaps in between, however you would like. And then I'm going to just scroll without deselecting. I'm just going to scroll all the way back up, and then I can pick where I want them to go. Let's say I want them to go in front of this. I'll select this as well, and then I will drop them all right here, and then they'll all pop in. So that's it. That's an easy way to move stuff around in Pix.io. Hope you enjoyed, and please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more of this stuff.